Hey shop owners, Ron Ipack, thank you very much for watching today's video. Now, if you're like most shop owners around the country, you are looking for technicians. And if you're not actively looking for technicians right now, I guarantee you will be soon, okay? That's just the nature of the beast. On today's video, what I want to do is talk about why people are leaving your auto repair shop and going somewhere else. Okay, so with the help of the Pew Research, I have the top reasons why employees are leaving their current place of employment, okay? And these are going to directly correlate with your auto repair shop, okay? But what I really want to do is I want to focus in on these top three things. These are the three reasons why people are saying that they're leaving their current employment. Because look, if we can fix this, if we've got the problem in our own business, if we can fix it, not only can we keep people and prevent them from leaving, but we can also use it to, attract people into our business because we've got these three things handled. You understand where I'm going with this? Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about number one, pay being too low. Look, it's no secret, unless you've been living under a rock, wages have been going up. Technician costs are going through the roof. And quite honestly, I think technicians are finally getting paid what they should have been getting paid a long time ago. So you can bitch, piss, and moan about it all you want, but technicians are finally getting paid what they should, in my opinion, okay? The crappy ones, maybe not, but a good technician deserves a lot more money. And look, you've got to find a way to be able to pay them more. Now, the only way you're going to be able to pay somebody more is obviously if they're doing the job, is to run your business better, okay? If your business is not turning the profits it should, if you're not charging the right amount for the labor, if you're not charging the right parts markup, if your expenses are way out of whack, there's no money left over to pay for a good technician, you're going to have a very, very, very difficult time attracting a good technician to you because the best ones are employed somewhere else and they're getting paid very well and they're not going to take a pay cut to work for you. Okay, so you got to fix the metrics in the business so you can afford to pay more when that great technician comes your way and is interviewing with you. Okay, so that is number one. So number two, no opportunities for advancement. Now, what does that mean in your small auto repair shop? Well, look, you are the top dog there, right? When you hire a technician, that's like one rung below you. So you're thinking, well, there's no way I'm going to be able to advance this guy. Well, let's look at it a little bit differently, okay? Advancement means opportunity. It means going places. So when you're interviewing a technician to come work for you, is your shop going places? Is your shop new, innovative? You really have some excitement about what's going on in the future of your business, or are you just basically during the interview saying, well, we lost our technician, so we just need to plug somebody else in there? Okay, these people aren't just plugs. Okay, they're people. They're people that have dreams and hopes of the future, and they want a business that's going to be a good, solid business. Because if they're going to move their tools into your shop, they want to stay there for a while, believe it or not. You may think that all they're going to do is hop from shop to shop to shop. You got to start selling the dream of your shop, okay? That's what really I would look at as an opportunity for advancement in your shop. Now, for those of you that are getting older and you want to groom somebody to actually take over your shop and buy your shop, then, hey, there is a great opportunity for advancement. You just got to let them know that, hey, the owner is going to be moving out at some point, or you want to move to Florida and just run the business remotely. There is opportunity for advancement, and you've got to let people know that, okay? So what I'm really saying is don't just treat somebody as like another cog in the wheel. We got to let them know that this business is going someplace, and it better be. Don't just say it. Your business has got to be going places if you want to attract people. The best people are attracted to the best opportunities. So now let's talk about the third thing on the top three of this very long list of why everybody is leaving their current places of employment. They feel disrespected. Look, I don't have to tell you what disrespect looks like, okay? If you're the kind of guy that's constantly pounding, and calling these guys idiots and saying, why don't you do what I tell you to do, you're not being a leader to them, and they're feeling disrespected. You have to treat people with respect or they will leave you in a heartbeat, and they're going to look for an employer that will treat them with the respect that they deserve. Okay, so let's look at these three again. Number one, the pay is too low. You got to run your business better so that you can afford to pay the higher wages that good technicians are demanding these days. Number two, no opportunities for advancement. Well, you got to get your shop going places. You got to sell the dream to them so they know they found a good home that they're going to be at for a very, very long time. Number three, treat them with respect. Let them know what you expect of them. Give them the training. Give them the respect they deserve. And you will not only keep your employees longer, but you'll attract some really good ones to your shop. I hope this helps. Oh, and before we go, please do me a favor. Go down below this video, like the video, share it with somebody you think is going to get some good benefit from it, comment on it, subscribe to my channel so that you're the first to see these videos as they come out. What I'm basically saying is, look, I'm doing these videos for your benefit. I don't ask for much. Show me a little love. Thanks for watching.